This is going to be a video review about the product made by Above Lights. It is a smart light bulb. It is a 60-watt equivalent. It is actually 9 watts LED. It is Wi-Fi controlled. You will plug it into your standard lamp. You'll install the Smart Life app. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then you have full control of this light with your voice on Alexa Dot, on your cell phone with Alexa, or on the cell phone using the Smart Life app. You don't even have to be home to turn the lights or appliances on and off. You should be able to set this with the timer that's built into the Smart Life app. You have 16 million colors, so you have your choice of whatever color you want to set this to. It comes in a 2-pack and a 4-pack. In the video description, I will leave an Amazon affiliate link. Click on the link. You should be able to buy the light bulb right away, get it shipped to your house, and I'm going to show you how to set it up right now. There is the lamp with the new light bulb in it. I'm going to turn it on, and right now all we have is a light bulb that is on. Now we need to detect this in the Smart Life app. You want to turn the light on and off quickly 3 times so that you get into pairing mode. It's got to be flashing quickly like it is. If it takes 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 times, that's fine. I'm in the Smart Life app. I'm covering up my phone number so I don't get a bunch of calls from people. In the upper right-hand corner is a plus signal. So I'm going to press that, which I just did. And now we end up with this screen. And we want to look for lighting. Do we see what we want? No, we don't. So let's click on lighting. And we have lighting. Lighting Wi-Fi. And that's what we want, lighting Wi-Fi. So click on that. Reset the device. There it is. We're still flashing, so we're good. We're going to confirm that it is rapidly blinking. You are going to enter your Wi-Fi and your router information. I'm covering it up so you don't see my info. Now we should connect in about 12%. You'll hear in the background my Alexa Dot say that it's connected or that it has found it. You'll also see that on the screen. We see the light has just changed colors. We're at 9%. The Smart Life app is talking to the light bulb. 13%. We're almost there. Let's listen.
I found their Lux LED bulb for the Smart Life skill, and you can control it by saying, turn off Air Lux LED bulb.
Okay, so you heard in the background that we have the Amazon Dot that is talking. Now, it is defaulted to Airlux LED bulb. That is going to be very difficult for Alexa to understand all those words, so you want to go in there and rename it. Let's just name it, Lux. No, let's leave it at Air. That's what I want to do. Now the bulb is going to work fine. The only problem you might run into is Alexa might not understand your voice. So I've renamed it to Air. That makes things easier. Now we're going to click Done. Now we're going to get the screen for the light bulb. Oh my God, I just love this. Look at this. Look at this. There's the name over there, Air. We have the light bulb, and we have some modes over here. I just want to show you right now. Let's press this, and you're going to see in the background the light bulb is going to turn off. So you don't have to be at home to be able to turn your appliances on and off. Now let's go over to some other, we have a schedule thing over here. Schedule that. You can add a timer, add timer data. Let's back out of that. We'll do color mode and C mode last. Let's do this. So we have brightness. Look at this bulb in the background. So you have control of the brightness of the light bulb. Let's go back out of that. Let's go over to color mode now. Color mode, this is where this bulb becomes absolutely awesome. You still have your brightness control over here. You look in the background. Oh, it's already set to red. Look, I'm in a room in daytime light right now, but you should still be able to see the color of the bulb. And the color is what you see over here. But brightness, you still can control your brightness over there. So the light gets dimmer and then we can go to bright, and then we've got saturation. Look at the bulb. Oh, it's a beautiful pink right now. Very hard to see with the lighting over here. Let's do the saturation. We'll go way, way down. And you can see the saturation change, just a little bit more white. We're going to go to full saturation right now. And now we're going to take this, and we'll go to a green. See the green bulb? You know, when I make videos like this, I just love a product with a beautiful colored light bulb. This is a really easy product to set up, very simple. Now we're in blue, so you could have this in your bedroom, in your living room, in your den, computer room, and you can control all the colors. Look at that. Is that awesome? Let's go to a little bit of a reddish. We'll go to some orange now. Now let's go back out. We'll go to the scene mode. And you see the bulb has already changed. We're at a green color on the bulb. We're green over here. Let's click on night. Let's click on read. Got a brighter bulb. Meeting. Leisure. Gorgeous. Nice flashing bulb pattern over there. Colorful. Colors. Soft. And then again, we can go right back up to the color mode over here and change the color to whatever you want. Now, we're not finished yet. Remember, this is labeled air. We changed the name of the bulb to air. Alexa, turn air on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn air off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn air on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn air red.
Okay.
Alexa, dim air 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, dim air 100%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn air on.
Okay.
Alexa, turn air blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn air green.
Okay.
So it's a very easy light bulb to set up. As I said, it's an E26 base. It's dimmable, as you just saw. It's 9-watt, equivalent to a 60-watt standard light bulb. It will work on Echo, Alexa Dot, Google Home, Siri. It's a 2700K light bulb. So it is not harsh. It's not exceptionally bright to irritate your eyes during the nighttime. You can control it with your voice or a remote control on your cell phone. It is made by Above Lights. I will leave a link in the description of the video. Click on that link, order your light bulbs today. It comes in a 2-pack and a 4-pack.